Hi, my name is Coach Moxie. A quick intro. I am here to help you win. Now, and of course, the ideas I share, the strategies I share, you probably have 1,000 different alternatives to it, right? And you probably have better solutions than I'm suggesting. Regardless, you don't have my results. And if you do, congratulations. If you did it in a different way, congratulations equally. But if you don't, you probably need to put your head down and listen to what I have to say, right? This is meticulously recorded progress that I was doing because I knew I will attract you at some point, and you will need as much advantage as I have enjoyed building this. Are you getting it? So get down to business, drive yourself through it, learn, and learn. You have everything to gain and nothing to lose. I'm always open for questions. You can email me or reach out to me on any of the contacts I'll put on the screen. I have your best interest. I hope that you work with me so we can make this world better. Thank you. Alright, let's jump into another topic. In this topic, I said there is a cake for you. $60 billion and more. $60 billion and more. Listen now. Well, I've told you that this is not a freelance situation. I'm not saying there is no money on the table. And I can make this thing built around ideas that are beautiful. But the fact is that you want money. Are you getting it? You didn't come to Fiverr or PosterMyWall or all of these platforms because passionate about this or that. You want money. You were looking for a way to earn in dollars. Are you getting it? Yes, you want money. But the truth is that when you look at PosterMyWall, sometimes it looks like as if that money you're looking for is not there. Are you getting it? And that's why I see a lot of half-baked effort, a lot of quits, a lot of people who started, got to 20 and quit, got to 30 and quit, got to 15 on their store, published and quit, got to 96 and quit, got to 100 and quit, got to 500 and quit, got to 200 and quit. Because for them, it is money, actually. I come from Nigeria. Shit. At the very back, even on the very, very, very front of my mind is earning money. Why? The amount of poverty that one sees every day is ridiculous. That's number one. Secondly, there's so much to do with money. What I do on this platform by my vision is one thing. But then money is important as a reward because then it helps me to do other visions I have. Are you getting it? I want to pay school fees for people. Scholarships. I want to do the kinds of things that blow my mind. Are you getting it? So it is money is a vital motivation. So the question is this: how do you look at the prospect, at something in terms of money? How do you see money? What it is how do you, when a platform like PosterMyWall which doesn't immediately start, showing you as a designer who wants to build on it, that there is potential here, how do you look at it again and say, okay, there is money here? So let me attempt to let you know that, because most designers have never really done the research on the industry. They have done research on how to learn a tool like Photoshop or Canva or Pixel Lab for phone users and all of that, but they have not really done the research on the graphic design industry, what it is. Are there opportunities here? Because some of us, it was like, if you wanted to get into tech-related stuff, you just started with one that your peers pressured into it somehow or something like that. This industry is a $60 billion industry. Graphic design, $60 billion is on the table every year. That is to say, $60 billion minimum will be floated to this industry from customers to investors. $60 billion. 60 billion. 60 billion. I mean, here you are struggling to make income that make a bit sense in naira, and I'm telling you that in the industry receives $60 billion yearly at minimum. That is a very big cake. I'm telling you. When I wake up every morning, what I'm looking for is my portion of that 60 billion. Because while you think you did not receive a portion of it, some of your customers floated you portions of it. Your customers, I mean, if you actually have physical customers apart from what you're doing online, that money they're giving you is a portion of the $60 billion. They're floating an allocation that is almost like a must to you. For you, you're receiving bits, very little, a pinch of the $60 billion. But nonetheless, you're receiving. How big you receive is up to you. So I'm really coming into PosterMyWall and I'm complaining my ass off, saying this 0.0, this, that. What I'm looking for every day is my portion in this $60 billion. If it will take me having 5 shops on PosterMyWall, stock to it at least 500 designs, I'll do it. That I didn't get a huge portion 2025, 2024, I'll do it. 2026, I'll do it. 2027, I'll keep going back until I'm getting a sizable portion of the 60 billion. If it will take having an app, I'll do it. An app that puts designs on people's phone, I'll do it. If it will take having an app that allows graphic designers to design the way they really want, like as if they're doing Photoshop on phone, I'll do it. If it will take having YouTube channel, teaching all kinds of things on graphic design, I will do it. If it will take, you have no idea what I'm going to do to get a sizable portion of. If it will take owning my own Canva or owning my own PosterMyWall, I'll do it. Because that is a huge amount of cake. And I'm not even getting a significant portion of it. I'll do it. So will you? Because most of us don't have that do whatever it takes. Because we didn't even know what we are fighting for. $60 billion. How much do you think Canva has out of that 60 billion? How much? How much do you think PosterMyWall gets out of that 60 billion? How much do you think Photoshop is getting out of the 60 billion? Or CorelDRAW? How much do you think? How much do you think PixArt on phone or Pixolab are getting out of it? And some other apps on phone? How much do you think Fiverr is getting out of it? Don't pity yourself. You're in a really awesome industry. Don't complain. How much do you think printing presses are getting out of it? Okay, printing is even a different niche of a very large industry. I'm just talking about graphic design itself. Are you getting it? Don't pity yourself. Don't treat yourself like somebody owes you something. This cake will float into this industry this year. Make up your mind to find out how to position yourself well, to buy it from this portion. because I will do whatever it takes. I'm telling you, I've not even remotely started doing whatever it takes, even though I think I've done something. Story. So, what's it going to be? Complain, bitch about things, or ask yourself? Because once you know 60 billion is on the table, you should know that quality multiplied by quantity is what gets you anything in this cake. At least it makes you adjust the quality of the designs you do. I mean, you yourself know the designs you see. When the person calls outrageous amount, your mind tells you they deserve it, sha. So why are you on PosterMyWall on your own shop? Something that will live for as long as possible. That people, you imagine that many different situations will need it. If it's a church flyer, Thanksgiving we need it, Lent we need it, church Sunday service we need it, special conference we need it. Why would you do something that is poor when we're talking about a sizable portion of 60 billion US dollars? I mean, what you are doing tells me what you're trying to bite. Will I hire teams to take my shop at ridiculous speed to wherever I want it to get to? You bet I will. I have self. Will I pay for marketing and because some of you are waiting for PosterMyWall to do your job? Will I pay for marketing and drive sales and use to record highs on my profile? You have no idea. Will I turn around and, as much as I'm doing designs for, re-engineer the designs for Photoshop file and sell it directly on seller? You don't have idea what I'm willing to do to chew into the 60 billion. So when I say I have a vision, when I'm telling you these ideas, I know I'm not relegating money to the background. No. Because in fact, money allows me to spread my tentacle because I know how much that is on the table. It makes me relentless. I'm telling you, 60 billion is on the table here. It anywhere, anyhow you want. You can bitch about not having it. It's up to you. But that's it for this topic.